Alright, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to our special podcast, EDN podcast, as the usual. Today, we are gonna talk about one of the most important days in Indonesia, in Indonesian history, which is the Independence Day at August 17. First, let me introduce ourselves. My name is Muhammad Dial Akbar, and today I will be your MC or host. And then I have my friend, which is gonna be the speaker.
Hello, my name is Rehan. That's just my nickname, and my full name you don't have to know. Let's just continue.
Okay, sure, I guess. Rehan, how are you today?
Oh, Alhamdulillah, I'm very good
Oh,
today,
very
so
good.
I don't have to speak in front of you guys and of course with you.
All right, that's good. I also great. Are you ready to talk about the Independence Day?
Independence Day?
Yeah,
What's
independ-
that? I just heard that recently. I'm not Indonesian. I am from Mars, so I don't know what's that.
What are you talking about? You're a WNE, okay? Okay, I think I'll just start some questions, I guess. First, when does Indonesia celebrates its Independence Day?
What? I don't know. You ask me as non-Indonesian person question like that?
But I'm the speaker. I'm the MC. You're the speaker. You answer my question.
You better introduce first what is Independence Day rather than just hit me with questions.
Come on, just answer my questions.
I think
Just answer.
it's 17th of August in the 1945. Is it right?
Yeah, correct.
Oh my god. I'm top god gue suck. I can miss your password.
Okay, sure, I guess. I mean, okay, that's right. Your answer is right. August 17 is the special day for our Indonesian, for our WNE.
Oh, and why it is special? I would like to know.
Why? Because the August 17 day is our independence. Independence.
So if if you guys independence in 18th of August, the Independence Day will be in 18th of August.
No, we will celebrate at 17, not 18.
No. My question is,
Yeah?
if Independence Day is in the 18th of August, you will celebrate it in 18th of August.
Yes,
Ah,
correct.
I see.
But since we independence at the 17, so we usually celebrate at the 17, not 18, like that.
Okay.
Okay. I guess we hop to the second question. What happens on August 17, 1945? Do you know the tragic of that day?
From what I heard from my friends that live in the earth before, specifically on 17th of August 1945, Sukarno and Muhammad Hatta proclaimed the independence of Indonesia. Is it right?
Yeah, correct. It's correct.
Oh my god, I can read their mind. No, never mind. It's from my friend.
That's it's correct. Yes, on the August 17, Mr. Sukarno and Mr. Muhammad Hatta, they proclaimed the independence. They are independence from Japan.
Okay, so you're gonna hitting me with question without explaining?
Explaining. I mean, that's the answer.
Okay.
That's the answer. Nothing else.
Alright, just continue.
That's the answer. Nothing else. I guess next question. I guess. Do you know who read the proclamation letter?
Maybe Sukarno?
Yes. How do you know that?
I'm just guessing.
Oh, I mean, yes, it's correct. It's Sukarno. Sukarno read it in, what does it call it? In his house, in the front of his house.
Only Sukarno, or there's many person behind it.
People. I mean, in that day there is some people, a lot of people in his back, but the person that actually reads the full proclamation letter is Sukarno.
I see. The
Sukarno.
president carried them all, of course.
Yes, the first president that's.
That's different with current president of Indonesia.
Please do not explain our current president. He needs some help, okay? He needs some help. So, what else?
Don't ask me, I don't know.
Come on. Do you know where the proclamation of independence read? Do you know where the place is?
Let me think. It was read at pegang Timur number 56 Jakarta.
What is that place?
What's that?
The address is correct, but who
oh.
place is this? Who
I
place
think it's a house of Japanese general.
Kinda incorrect. I think it's not a Japanese place. It's actually Sukarno's, what does it call it? A private home. Like his private house. So we decided to read in there. They decided to read in his house, and then a few years later, it turned it to a museum.
I see. Now I know more about this country. That's different with the country now.
Oh yeah.
You can continue questioning me.
Okay.
Hitting the question.
Okay, sure. Obviously, our what does it call it? Our flag. It has red and white. Yeah, correct.
Yes. Not it's your flag, not mine.
It's our flag. It's our flag. Okay.
No,
You're A W N E. Please stop. Okay.
I'm not.
You're A W N E. Okay.
Yeah, it's not your.
Okay. Let me just go to the questions. Do you know what the red and white colors represents?
From what I have, the red represents bravery and white represents clean. Is that
Clean, like clean what? Like what?
clean in heart, clean in mind, and clean in. It's clean like that. You know what I mean?
I mean, yeah, 50-50. But actually, the red color represents a courage.
Courage. Not
Courage.
bravery.
No, courage. And the white prevents purity and what is it called? Seniority.
What seniority?
What is it called? What is it? I forgot. It's like that. It's been
I
a.
don't get what you're talking. But alright.
It's like that.
Now I know more about this country. I thought it was just a color with nonsense behind it.
Probably like that. And then, what is it called? Are you a proud WNE? Do you proud being a WNE?
I'm not even WNE, bro. You asked me something that
What?
I'm not WNE, bro. You asked an alien a question like, bro? No, that's not a question for me.
No, you're an WNE. Do you
Question.
proud?
Other question.
Alright, sure.
Tradition and competition each flag each village.
Competition?
Competition each village there is the specialist, but competition in each village in your own town.
Oh yeah.
Also a tradition every August.
Oh, okay. Obviously, nowadays in August, in every August 17 day, usually some village or like places has their like competition. Do you know that?
Yeah, from my friend, I heard that from my friend that currently living in this earth. Yeah.
Okay. What competition does your village what is it called? Um, how about this? Is there some competition in the village in every August 17? Like lomba makan kerupuk like that.
My friend has ever joined a
Join.
chip eating competition and it's like
Oh.
what he did, and other jumping on the what is it called?
Lomba karung ya.
Yes, that
Oh,
in
karung.
Indonesia, but yeah, that's jumping and something that
Oh.
you can't move your box
Yeah.
like just jumping
Yeah.
and falling and my friend just got traumatized out of it because everyone was looking at him. But then he have a fun because everyone is not just looking at him but also they're his friends, just like they having fun while
Yes.
doing that competition.
Correct. They are having fun. But do you usually? But every August 17, do you usually join in your village? Join the competition?
I wasn't living in Indonesia. I wasn't live in Indonesia, so I don't ever join any of those stupid competition.
How about your other family members? Like do you have a sister or brother or
Yeah, I have.
or dad, mother?
I have a sister, but also she didn't join that. My brother also, my big brother
Didn't join. Doesn't
didn't join any competition
Oh.
of that. Because my brother wasn't at home while 17th of August and
Mhm.
my sister just was too small.
join. Was it?
I remember, yeah.
Oh, like that. I actually, yes. Back in the day, when August 17, I usually sometimes join some competition in my village. That is like before COVID. It's been a while actually.
What is COVID?
COVID is like it's like a virus that spreads all of the world.
Oh, that's
In- all of the world. What is it called?
Alright,
The tragic is from 2020. If you still remember about that.
I don't even know. Okay, maybe back to the topic.
Okay. Actually, in my village, there is still some competition. If you don't know, there is still some competition for child or people that want to join. But nowadays, I never join like that because I'm too lazy and I have a lot of schedules to do. So.
Maybe I feel you.
But I think if you join, I mean, you do get some prizes like that. If you are the first, you are the first winner or the second, you usually sometimes get some prizes like food or some money. Do you know?
I can just buy it.
I mean, it's free. You know, it's free. It's free from the panitia. You know.
It's not free as so we work for it. And those are for not the winner doesn't get anything.
Not all of it. Well, if you're sometimes the loser also gets some prizes to make it more adil like that.
I see.
Okay, how many minutes? Done.
Suggestion, Mandanos. Any suggestion or as you young man, what's the suggestion for another? Suggest or what is spirit center
First sentence.
for our country? Your motivation.
Of motivation. What? Yeah.
What?
As
Okay.
we young generation, we must practice
Oh.
to be
Maybe. Okay. I guess maybe you're not aware and E. Maybe. Yeah. But since I'm aware and E, Sometimes I do proud, sometimes not, because you know sometimes the politics like that. But as a Indonesian, I do still, for now, yeah, for now I do still proud as an Indonesian. And since we are a young generation, hopefully, in what is it called? In the future, we can, what is it called? We can, what is it called? We can make it this country, make it more like more successful country with like with no debts, right? With like no debts and stuff. Because until now, obviously we have been independent for more than 80 years, but we still have more kekurangan like that, yeah, like debts or some people doesn't get their foods and facility. So hopefully, since we are the young generation and and also we're gonna be the future leader for our country, hopefully we can make this country better, right?
Yeah, I guess no.
Why?
You know the condition right now, right? Maybe soon or later.
I mean, I do know the condition of our country right now, but hopefully it gets better and not make it worse. Hopefully, like that.
Yeah, and talking about competition, before I mentioned my sister and my brother, right?
Yeah, we're
Yeah.
correct.
Third, we have competition too in our planet. Every 99 of sun, yes, that you can call it that.
What?
I guess.
I get it. Okay. Okay, I think that's all for me. Thank you, Rea.
No.
No?
As
Ask again.
an outsider, I have solution for you and your country.
What?
So my friend said that the condition of this country isn't good or well. So my good suggestion for you is just keep yourself from the effect of this country or the people in it. I had something about application that can make our generation, because I'm young too. I'm
Yeah.
only 100 years old right now. I'm currently.
What?
And
That's
for you,
old.
it's young in my planet. And for in my suggestion, my friends said that there's an application that can, you know,
Application for what?
it has it like two sides of knife. It can be good for you and
It can be bad. Oh,
Very
yeah.
bad. And
Yeah.
this is the case right now, which is called TikTok. You know
TikTok.
that? Yeah, my friend
Oh, yeah.
told me that thing. It has black logo, black icon with what look
Yeah, you know. Okay.
And my suggestion is don't get affected by a negative vibe from outside or from anything, because I have experienced it and it didn't go well. It just crushed me from inside. But I managed to get back to productive work.
Okay.
And my suggestion to this country is just change the president or change the ministry. Maybe soon or later it will be good from our generation to continue, rather than I heard there's a corruptor inside.
Yes, there is some corruptor.
Maybe that's I can suggest that for you. Thank you for listening to me. Even you hitting me with a lot of questions that I don't have experience in it. I haven't appreciated.
Yeah.
I appreciate your question.
Okay, I do appreciate you. Thank you for being in this podcast, ya Rehan. Thank
Yeah.
you for what is it called? Temenin for today's podcast. I think that's all from me, everyone. Thank you for this podcast. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.